Mic check, 1, 2, 3, 4. Am I loud? Am I clear? Is anybody out there? Ladies and gentlemen, the name is International Stacker, and we're going to be live in 9 minutes and 35 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. So if you're ready, smash that like button, share the stream. I just tweeted it out on X. If you could go like and retweet that, I'd appreciate it. We're going to cover the COMEX market open. We're going to cover all the breaking news, helping you to read the tea leaves. If you're ready, I put I'm ready in chat. If you haven't yet, smash the like. Only 3 more to 50. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live here in just 9 minutes and 5 seconds. Grab a beverage, sit back, and enjoy the ride.
Hotel room scale on the desk, counting every ounce I've kept. Airplane windows, dawn and dusk, dreaming about the next big chest. Desert markets, ocean ports, whispers in a hidden court, map lines, red ink, folded corners, X mark secrets in the board.
What's up, AZ Coins? No problem. Let me check, Roadkill. Roadkill, it's gone. You got 20, you got 17. I'll send you a list after the stream, Roadkill. I'll send you, but yeah, that one's gone. I'm sorry, Roadkill. But thank you so much for the super chat. I'll send you the numbers that are still available. Roadkill. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We're about to be live in just 7 minutes and 45 seconds. Smash the like button if you're ready. Breaking gold and silver news is coming. I'm sure I did, Roadkill. Let me check. Oh, is that name? Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. I'm sure I did, Roadkill, but I don't remember your actual name. I don't remember your actual name, Roadkill. If you've been communicating to me, you're good. If you've been communicating with me via email, you're good. Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We're going to be live in just 6 minutes and 55 seconds. Hold up. We're going to be covering the COMEX market, reopen the whole new start. It's going to be epic. We're going to cover the breaking gold and silver news. It's going to be mega. Ah! Yeah, you're good. You're good. You're good. Roadkill, you're good. I just looked up your real name. You're good, Roadkill. Roadkill, you're good. Don't worry. You're good. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in 6 minutes and 15 seconds. Smash the like button. Share the stream. Roadkill, you got number 19. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Yes, yes. $16 likes from 100. Smash it up, ladies and gentlemen. 16 likes away from 100. We're going to be live in 5 minutes and 30 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to do major analysis, see what happened today, what's going to happen tomorrow. We're going to watch the COMEX market open up together. We're going to have a lot of fun. Smash the like button if you're ready. Share the stream. Please go like and retweet it on X. Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to go down. Now, guys, if you like this music, you can rock to it anytime, day or night. Go to Spotify, Apple Music, iTunes, search International Stackers, the artist, and enjoy. This one's called Chasing That Mill, M-I-L-L, not MILF, not milk, mill. Look at that big, beautiful bounty over there. Wow. Who's going to win the bounty? If you're going to win it, say it's me. Who's going to get Dom Soup?
Coins and bars, rare to find.
Let's go.
Hunting, one of a
Littlefoot Silver Sacker says, congrats to all the new Hidden Horde recovery team members. Oh, for sure, Littlefoot. If you're part of the HHRTF, put it in chat right now. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to be live in just 4 minutes and 10 seconds, breaking it all down, the gold and silver news, helping you read the tea leaves. We're going to watch the COMEX open up, and Jim Reeves is making it rain soup. He just gifted 5 memberships. Jeff Stout gifted a membership as well. Wow. Thank you, Lisa Anderson, for the jewels. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Oh, Rich Mitch got soup. Nice. And early rare coins is in here, guys. Early rare coins got soup earlier as well. Dom, your day is coming. I feel it. Let's go. Yes. No worries, Frodo. I'm sure you're going to be fine. Join the quest. Join the quest. Yes. Yeah, yeah. Who's ready? Ladies and gentlemen, buckle up. We're going to be live in 3 minutes and 10 seconds here, covering the breaking gold and silver news, hoping you read the tea leaves. We're going to be watching the COMEX open back up here live. It could be a fun night, ladies and gentlemen. If you're ready, put I'm ready in chat right now. And look at that. Ron Spencer is in chat saying thanks for the membership. Ron Spencer got soup. Wow. Mr. JMS said he used to think you sang for all the songs on here. Then you and the No Soup song. I was being funny. Mr. JMS, I was being horrible on purpose to make it funny. Come on. Mr. Bill here says, can you please explain the price of silver is sub 60? Don't worry, Mr. Bill. We're going to be breaking it all down. Brian here says, I heard someone took my number 19 already, but curious. Email me, Brian. Email me. If you emailed me, you're good. I got to work through emails. I'm slammed with emails, but I'm handling the responses for that in the order they're coming in. So if you already emailed me, Brian, I will reply back with what's available. Woo! Early Rare Coin says they were only soupless for 2 days, and then they got soup again. Okay, let's get a cracking here. Let's get a crab dance going if you're ready. Drop a crab in chat if you're ready, ladies and gentlemen. Not a CRAP, a CRAB. We're going to be live in 1 minute and 45 seconds covering the breaking gold and silver news. Let's go, let's go. Silver Serpents has never had soup. Wow. Thank you, chasing that mill for... Oh, the golden poop. No. Littlefoot hit me with the golden poop. Ah. Let's go. Thank you for the jewels. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Yes. No, SGT got me with the golden poop. Gah! Ladies and gentlemen, this is your 1 minute warning. Do you want the crab migration, old school, or little kid intro? Let me know ASAP. Let me know ASAP. I got an idea. I got an idea here. I've got an idea. Let's go. Liberty Lightning, thanks for... Oh, he got me with the golden poop. No. Ah. 30-second warning. Let's get it.
I'm Stacker on a journey
to find
silver.
International Stacker.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen? The name's International Stacker, coming to you from Key West, Florida, where I'm closer to Cuba than a Walmart. 2,400 videos around the world on gold and silver adventures. And boy, are we about to be on an adventure right now. 300 people already on, 118 likes. Keep smashing like. And guys, the Mega God is coming. We got over 100 ounces of silver, 100 ounces of copper. We got gold. I'm going to be breaking it out probably later this week on a little live stream. And here's the big, beautiful bounty. Forever gets Dom soup. There's gold in here, a 1/10 ounce gold eagle. There's silver. There's a silver Canadian maple. There's so much stuff in there. So, guys, if you want a chance to win the Mega God short for giveaway, make sure you subscribe and turn on those notifications. Now, I did send out the email. If you guys remember, SGT Stacking and I did a release of the cork tops. Originally, we did the corks, then we did the cork tops. I emailed everybody who contacted me that was interested in one of these, so those emails went out earlier. If you missed it and you're interested, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. I'm not sure if there'll be any left, but I'll put you on the list just in case. It's a limit of one per crustacean. Oh, my goodness! Brian McQuillan just gifted 20 memberships. Oh, my goodness. Dom, where's Dom? Or did you get soup? Dom, get your bowl up. I'm looking. Did Dom get soup? I'm looking. Did Dom get soup? Oh, my goodness, I'm looking. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Wow, thank you so much for getting those memberships. Brian McQuillan, thank you so much. All right, let's break down what happened today. So since 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to 5 p.m. today, that was that whole trading session market. It was a low of 55.52. It was a high of 57.49, and it closed on a green candle of 56.42. So let's drag this over here. Now let's zoom in. Ladies and gentlemen, we're about to watch this market open here in about 16 minutes. Right here is where it's going to open, okay? Now, here's the good news. Today's session that just closed, silver's up 0.93%. So we had a green day on silver, 0.93%. Okay, let's go to gold. Here was gold, and we're going to start a new trading session now. But on this previous one, we hit a low, a 3,982.44, a high of 4,040, and we closed above 4,000 on a red candle, which is what I wanted. I really wanted us to close above that 4,000, so we're going to be watching this market here open back up as well. Let me just fix that. Bang. Okay. Gold to silver ratio closed out at 71.12 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. Ladies and gentlemen, it could imminently be sub 70 here, so we'll watch what happens on this open. And right here, the Shanghai Futures Exchange, after gapping up this morning, hit a low of 63.14, hit a high of 64.06, closed on a green candle at 63.62. So this one right here is going to be opening back up at 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time tonight. I won't be live for that unless it goes insane and I need to start a stream to Yolishi Zaguadian. If that's going down, I will get back on for that. Now, guys, I got a lot of breaking gold and silver news, but I know I got Commander Mike D in here, the 160th Battle Crab Sword, Commander Craig of the 42nd Battle Crab. Whoa, and Pause Spare Time, thank you for the 10 memberships. Wow, Speggy got a membership. Nice, spectacular. Okay, I'm looking. Did Dom get soup? Oh, my goodness, no soup for Dom. And, guys, we're only 4 gifted memberships away from playing the next song. We're so close. Thank you so much, Pause Square Time. And, Dom, when you finally get soup, here's your choices.
What the hell?
That was no Soup John, or Soup John now. Okay. Now, I've got Commander Craig and Commander Mike D. Now, at the last Hidden Hoard, and guys, if you want to find silver hidden across the nation, check out the website, internationalstacker.com. Simply click on Hidden Hoard here. Springfield, Illinois just happened. And Ben Bateman won that one. The next one's the A&A Coin Show in Pittsburgh. Big shout out. It's sponsored by Hero Bullion. Check out herobullion.com. They got $283.43 for 5-ounce silver starter pack at spot, shipped to you free. So make sure to check them out. And Chasing That MILF, thank you for that membership. But thank you for that gift of membership, Chasing That MILF. But what I'm trying to say is at the meet and greet in Springfield, Illinois, Mike D had one more person enlist to the 160th Battle Crab than Craig did. And I think I know why, ladies and gentlemen. I found something on the internet. Mike D has been recruiting hard. Wow, Mike D is recruiting hard. So if you go to X, formerly known as Twitter, Mike D has the whole video here. It's over a minute long. Commander Craig, I think you need to step up your game. Where's your recruitment video? So funny. So funny. Okay. Let me go into the breaking gold and silver news. Ladies and gentlemen, we're going to break it all down. Follow me on X at INTL Stacker International when it fit if you want the breaking gold and silver news all day, every day. And if you guys could retweet and post this live stream now, I would appreciate it. So let's break down the news. Now, ladies and gentlemen, I do these every week on Sundays. Warning, 10 events that could shake gold and silver this week. These are my weekly watchouts. Stackers, this is one of those weeks where economic data, treasury yields, and geopolitics could all move the precious metals market. Here's what I'm watching. Monday, we're looking for leading economic data, LEI. That's today. Watching treasury yields in the U.S. dollar. Tomorrow, existing home sales and housing market. Clues on economic strength. Wednesday, no major data, but markets will price in expectations ahead of next week's FOMC meeting. That's right. It's next week already. Isn't that crazy? How time flies. And we're going to be watching treasury yields in the DXY Thursday. We're going to be looking at initial jobless claims, S&P Global Flash Manufacturing Services PMI. And Treasury auction demand Friday, markets digest Thursday's data, and COMEX positioning. If you want to know more about it, if you want more in depth, that's just very high level. If you want to know what all that means, go to internationalstacker.com, click news and blogs, and it's right here. It's the last post I just put out. These are your weekly watch out situations. And ladies and gentlemen, there's a ton of information. I explain everything, what it means. So if you want to get informed and learn some stuff, go read that. Okay, let's go to the next piece of breaking news here. Look at this, these slippery little salamanders. Breaking, we've been lied to, lady. Oh, Brian Irish Stacker gifted 5 memberships. That went to Christopher. It went to Arizona. It went to Rag. It went to Pecan. And Texas, I hate to say it.
Sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No super dumb.
No soup for you.
Now, guys, if you're like, what the heck is this no soup for Dom and these crabs and all this crazy stuff? The channel lore is deep. The lore is deep on the channel. Just go to my website, internationalstacker.com. Click right here, channel lore. And it'll have every single meme here, what it means, the video of when it happened. So go read up on that. Okay. These slippery little salamanders, we've been lied to, ladies and gentlemen. The U.S. Mint Bell gold coins still haven't sold out. They told us they did. It was everywhere. It's sold out. It's sold out. It's gone. And I posted that they weren't sold out. And I got raked over the coals online. I was told I was a dum-dum, that it was some technical issue with the website. Nope, look it. You can go add the 1 ouncer for $19,600. You could add the half ouncer for $10,050. Anyone who bought these to flip them, they're getting absolutely destroyed, ladies and gentlemen. So they're still available. As a matter of fact, if we go here to, let's go to eBay. Let's go to eBay here. Let's type in US. Watch how bad this is. Mint, Liberty, Gold. I misspelt it, but I should still find it. I misspelt it. It's okay. Okay, now let's go. Okay, well, let's fix it. Let's make sure. Okay. Now you can't just look here and go, look, they're going for 23,000. No. You got to go to sold. Okay, let's see. Look at this one. A half ounce sold for 11,250. On the U.S. Mint, it's 10,050. Here's the evil thing that's going on, guys. You pay 15% between eBay fees and PayPal. This person lost money on this deal. They bought it, they sold it on eBay, and they lost money. Let's go to the next one that sold. Look at this. Okay, the 1 ounce sold for $20,624. It's for sale for $19,600. Once you minus the 15% from that, you are done. So people are literally look at this. This one sold for under MSRP, $9,949. People are losing their shirts on this deal. I was screaming from the rooftops. I hope people listened. Slippery little salamanders. Here's a live feed right now from the U.S. Mint. Ralph says one of the silver crab rolos sold from Reckless Metals, number 276 for $172.50. Oh, also on eBay, guys, right here. This is Hoya Guru in chat. He bought 12 of these battle crabs. This auction's ending in 4 hours. It's up to $172.50. He's selling them. All the proceeds are going to charity. So check him out. The best way to check him out, and the more he's going to be listing more, is to go to mydct.com. That stands for My Dream Come True. Here's all the information here. It is for charity for the Fun Coast Down Syndrome Association. Now, guys, I was informed today that they usually do not get donations. So that is why Hoya Guru is doing this. But some crustaceans went onto their website and made major donations. So whoever you are, whoever that is that donated to that charity, you are mega. And they contacted me and said, thank you so much, and to pass it on to you. Wow. Brian, Irish Stacker, gets in another membership, and that went to Earth Hugger. Congratulations, Earth Hugger. Poor Dom needs soup. You should see how much I'm losing on the crab. Oh, you should see how much I'm losing on the crab rolo auctions to eBay and shit. I know, Hoya. I know, it's brutal. I know. Okay, let's go into the next breaking news here. Iran-U.S. war just entered a far more dangerous phase. Ladies and gentlemen, here's what happened over the last 12 hours. CENTCOM launched another major wave of strikes against Iranian military targets at approximately 4 p.m. Eastern earlier today. A commercial vessel was reported to be on fire along the Omani coast and the Strait of Hormuz. Footage circulating online claims it to be a Saudi Arabian, there we go, vessel struck by the IRGC, but it's not confirmed yet. Iran-backed Houthi rebels in Yemen announced a maritime blockade against Saudi Arabia, threatening Saudi-owned, Saudi-flagged, and Saudi-affiliated vessels traveling through the Bab al-Mandab that they're going to strike. Now, they have still not shut down the Bab al-Mandab, and if they could have, they would have already. I'm standing behind that statement. Unless they get weapons delivered to them. You know, we did have those Iranian planes come unless they gave them weapons, but here's the situation. Strait of Hormuz, Iran. Down here, Yemen, Houthi rebels backed by Iran. That's the Bab al-Mandab right there. That's what they're threatening with the Saudi ships, okay? This creates the potential for simultaneous pressure on both regional checkpoints. Hormuz for Iran, Bab al-Mandab for Houthis. Iran reportedly launched additional ballistic strikes towards Jordan. One of them was possibly a Sigil missile, which like goes not into space, but it goes like into the upper atmosphere. It's pretty wild to watch. The U.S. is reportedly preparing a far more intense next phase of its military campaign against Iran, with operational plans finalized awaiting the president's approval. Major U.S. airlift is underway right now, bringing in more materials and logistical support. The conflict now threatens both critical shipping lanes and shows no immediate signs of de-escalation. Trump is hitting them hard while keeping the diplomatic door open just enough for future negotiations. Ladies and gentlemen, it's going down, and the price of silver and gold have been going down since this started. If you remember, we were back up into the 90s. We were looking like we might break into the hundreds again before the Iranian conflict broke out. And once it did, anytime we've had the tension ratchet up, we've seen pressure majorly on gold and silver. Anytime we've seen a peace deal or something happen, we've seen positive pressure on gold and silver. So just here in 4 minutes, we're going to see how the market reacts to all the instability today. I'm going to have to go to Pyth. Guys, remind me to go back to Oneida here in about 8-9 minutes. But we're going to come back here in a couple more minutes and watch these markets go on and see how wild it gets. But I got a few more pieces of breaking news to cover here. Look at this. Last time I checked, it's cracking. This is from Hero Bullion. When paper monetary systems begin to crack at the seams, the run to gold could be explosive. This is Harry Brown. I believe he was a presidential candidate for the Libertarian Party, I think. He was extremely bullish on gold and silver. So a lot of people looked at what he said. So that's what he's saying. And last I checked, it's cracking, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, here's the next piece of news. Alert, the U.S. just put 20% of the world's silver supply at risk. Mexico produced 172.9 million ounces of silver in 2025. Nearly 1 out of every 5 ounces mined globally, about 25% of the world's supply there. It is the world's largest silver-producing country and critical supplier to the U.S. But the U.S. government just declined to renew the USMCA trade deal in its current form during the mandatory 2026 review. Important note, the USMCA has not ended. The agreement remains in force, but without new extension. It will now face annual reviews until 2036, creating another layer of uncertainty around North America trade. So it didn't end. It's still the status quo. They just meet annually now to talk about it. U.S. Trade Representative Jameson Greer specifically said the U.S. would not renew the agreement in its current form, signaling a push for renegotiation on trade deficits, tariffs, rules of origin, and strategic supply chains. Ladies and gentlemen, now connect that to silver. We're in our 6th year of consecutive silver deficits, 67 million ounces projected global deficit for 2026. It's going to be bigger. That is just the Silver Institute's numbers, which they sandbag all the time. Mexican silver production fell 5% in 2025. Nearly 20% of global mine supply is now tied up in this trade agreement, facing yearly review. However, this could all be a moot point as the U.S. started a critical minerals action plan with Mexico and other allies, which could possibly supersede the USMCA. Here it is here. If you want to read, there's a little bit more about that. We'll come back here to the breaking gold and silver news in a second. And guys, one of the largest silver miners just issued. There might be issues, but we are just 2 minutes away here from the market opening, and I'm going to issue a danger zone alert here. All right, now I'm looking at chat, so if you got questions, put them in chat, but you got to tag me. A Littlefoot Silver Sector says the enforcer said that I ran a proxy shutdown. So that I ran proxy shut down the. Well, I do like the enforcer, Littlefoot. He's saying, okay, the Iranians said that they're going to fire on ships. It's closed, but is it really closed? I mean, they just said that on the radio. Is it really? So they claim to have and said that they're doing an embargo on Saudi Arabia, but that doesn't actually mean they have the military might or the resources to do it. So we'll see what happens there. Future Moto says, calling all coin counterfeiters. New Liberty Bell price screams fake me. Oh, yeah, there's going to be so many fakes of those bells. Guys, and it's not an intricate design either. Silver Serpent says, you didn't show my duct tape cracks him. Okay, I will show it. I haven't gotten to responses yet, Silver Serpents. I will show it. Don't worry. Shout out to Oregon Adventure, who's been a crustacean commander for 1 month. Congratulations. You're mega there. Wow. Big mega. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, 50 seconds. Are you team green or team red? Are we going up or down? Let me know right now. Real Bill says, excuse me while I purchase some more silver. There you go. Better hurry. Market's about to open here. West Texas says, I can be your hero, bullion. Baby, I can kiss away your pain. I like that. Brian here says, is there any known new mines being built? Not that I know of. Thank you, Hoya Guru, for gifting that membership. Thank you so much. Wow, that went to the Saga reveal. That's epic. 15 seconds. Here we go. Are you guys team green or team red? Keep smashing the like. We're only 7 away from 200. The next 7 people to smash are getting good luck for 5 years.
It's science.
3, 2, 1. Ladies and gentlemen, the market is now opening. Let's watch it here. Any second. Okay, we are on a green candle. The market is open. A green candle on silver. 56.44 on silver. Gold on a red candle, 4,007.46. Let's keep watching it here as I take a sip of my throat coat tea. Okay. Silver Chupacabra says, with the GSR at the low 70s, do you think it's a good time to buy gold since it's 4,000? I I mean, it depends how much gold exposure you have to your stack, Silver Chupacabra. If you're actually thinking about this, email me, internationalstacker@gmail.com. I would have to see the percentages of gold to silver to your stack to say what I would do, okay? But generally, when you're looking at the gold to silver ratio, that's when people are looking to play it and trade out silver and gold, right? So when the silver drop or when the ratio drops low, like I'm waiting for the 30s, you would trade silver for gold. When the ratio is high, and the medium mark is 50, so we're actually in a territory where some people could trade silver for, or could trade gold for silver. There we go. Gold for silver. Silver for gold, low. Gold for silver, high. But I'm so bullish on silver right now with everything going on, I would not be trading my gold for silver. I'm going to do the other play once we get lower, because I believe we're going to go much lower. I really do. And when I say lower, I don't mean price. I mean right here, the gold to silver ratio, which is currently sitting around 71.12 ounces of silver for every ounce of gold. Thank you, Real Bill, for those jewels. You are mega. Thanks for the opportunity to buy the cork top. I only have one. They only have one. You're welcome, Peter. Silver Serpent says red or green in the New Mexico State question. Silver had a green day while DXI ripped and gold went red. Is there any significance in this? Well, yeah, there's data and things coming out that moves the market all the times, right? So let's look here, the DXY. I mean, the DXY really didn't do too bad today. It actually had an uptrend. Oil's kind of acting a little funky. There's just so much going on. I didn't even look at the data earlier that I've been watching for. But ladies and gentlemen, we have a big green candle forming here, 56.46 on silver. We have a gap up on gold, Gap up on gold, ladies and gentlemen. So we're going to have to fill that gap. We might imminently fill that gap. Thank you for the golden poop, Real Bill. It's my birthday. I'm call 40 soon. Guys, say happy birthday to Bam the Trader. Wyvern says I should be getting the proof for the 101st Kilted Crustacean Brigade patch concept proof back tomorrow. We'll send you the patches if the proof... Thank you. Wyvern, make sure you email to me. I want to see it. We have the Kilted Crustacean Brigade coming soon, ladies and gentlemen. Brian the Irish Stacker, thank you so much for getting a membership. That went to Diego Ruiz. And thank you so much, Master Blaster. That went to Silco. And I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Taste the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
Okay. Now I got a few more pieces of news here, and then we'll come back to the charts. How does that sound? Look at that. The Humble Stacker saying, let's close that gap. We're going to close it, Humble Stacker. And then we're going to play our favorite song. And thank you so much, Irish Stacker, again, for gifting a membership. That went to Mo Zerps. Guys, if you're a hungry crustacean in chat right now, say I'm hungry. And we do have no soup, Dom, in chat. Sorry, Dom. You're going to get your soup, I feel it. Okay, next piece of breaking news here. Nami Prinz, one of the world's largest... Okay, Nami, in an interview, says one of the world's largest silver miners just issued a major warning. In the King World News interview, economist, best-selling author, and former Wall Street executive Nami Prinz revealed that Keith Neumeyer, who is the CEO of First Majestic Silver, told her his company can no longer keep up with the physical demand of silver for India, China, Saudi Arabia, Kuwait, and any other major buyers. The numbers continue to paint a very bullish picture. We're in our 6th consecutive year of a silver deficit. We're going to be in our 7th soon. Physical investment demand is forecast to surge 20% in 2026 alone. My production is expected to increase just 1% to a total of 820 million ounces despite higher prices. Guys, remember, we hit peak silver mining in 2016. Every year since then, we've decreased a couple, part of a percent, 1 to 3%. We've decreased. That's because the mines are getting older. As the mines get older, the grade declines. It gets harder to get out. It gets more expensive to get out. New mines take anywhere from 10 to 15 years from exploration to getting the ore out of the ground. This isn't getting better anytime soon. If one of the world's largest primary silver miners says its production is effectively spoken for, While the global silver market remains in a structural deficit, what happens if investment demand accelerates even further, ladies and gentlemen? Here's the full article here if you want to go read that. Another piece of breaking news here. The silver setup everybody will be talking about later, ladies and gentlemen. Silver isn't just a precious metal. Oh, someone just gifted memberships. Hold up. Thank you, Jeff Stout, for gifting 5 memberships. That went to Dino Squatch, Stony, Eric, Drain, and Claire. Congratulations. Say thank you to Jeff Stout. Whoa, you guys are on fire. Irish Stacker back. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John.
Taste the soup.
We tried. No soup for John.
Good soup.
No soup for John.
No soup for you.
No soup for John. It's all
Aha.
Wow. Now I'm going to finish this article, and then I'm going to show you guys what's in the big, beautiful bounty that one of you is probably going to win here shortly. Okay. The silver setup everybody will be talking about later. Silver isn't just a precious metal anymore. Monetary demand is rising as investors seek protection from debt, inflation, geopolitical uncertainty, and de-dollarization. Industrial demand continues to grow from AI data centers, power grid expansion, EVs, and electronics, even as manufacturers try to reduce silver use in some applications. Add in the deficit we just spoke about, limited new mine supply, and a much smaller market than gold. And it doesn't take much new investment demand to move the price significantly. Gold is a classic safe haven, but silver is both monetary metal and industrial necessity. That's what makes this cycle so interesting, ladies and gentlemen. Here's the full article there if you want to go read that. Okay. I want to show you guys. Whoever gets Dom Soup is going to win this big, beautiful bounty. And I mean, there is some crate. Let me just show you real quick. This is not a giveaway. This is a bounty, your bounty hunters. If Dom gets a gifted membership from you, aka Soup, you're going to win this. You're going to collect this 1/10 ounce American Gold Eagle. You're going to get this silver Canadian Maple Leaf. This 999 silver little homage to the coin. This may be a 1/4 ounce or maybe a 1/10 of an ounce. You're going to be getting this platinum, 1/1000th of a troy ounce of platinum. You're going to be getting this circulated silver Austrian coin. You're going to be getting this coin that I got in Prague at the coin show, the Ferdinand II from 1624. Look at that mean overbite. Wow. That's silver. You're going to be getting this casino token, 999 fine. Only the middle is silver, but it's 999 fine. It's the collectors from a casino, the old casino chips. You're going to be getting this Japanese silver bar. Look at this. You're going to be getting these 2 crab coins. They're not silver. They're base metal, but it's pretty cool. They got crabs on them. And these 2 as well. You're also going to be getting this copper bar with the American flag and this 5-ounce copper steampunk little round. And finally, you're going to be getting the battle crab flag and a silver-plated soup ladle for whoever gets Dom her soup. All right, back to the charts here. Okay. And guys, if you don't want to play along with the soup, that's fine. Because I'm giving away over 100 ounces in the next upcoming well, I've got 100 ounces, but not all of it. Probably 70 ounces I'm giving away soon. That video's coming in like a week. So watch for that. We got 70 ounces of silver, maybe 100 ounces of copper. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be absolutely insane. Okay, let me see what I missed in chat. Thank you, Hoyer Guru, for gifting a membership. That went to Maria. Casino token is 0.6 ounce, 999 in the middle. Thank you, dropping the mic. Brian the Irish Stacker gifted 5 more. Wow, that went to me. That went to Jack Keen. That went to Nicola. That went to Jeremy and Mike. Congratulations. Wow. You guys are absolutely on fire. Guys, we are only, let's see here. 7. We are only 37 gifted members away from a 100-member stream. 100 new members. I think we need a total of 300 new members to unlock the next emoji. So we're getting close. Thank you, Wyvern. Thank you. That gifted a membership that went to SF 1012. So we're back here on Oneida, ladies and gentlemen, and silver right now is at 56.41 on a green candle. Down 0.02% since the session started just 10 minutes ago. And ladies and gentlemen, on gold, I'm happy to announce we filled that gap.
We filled that gap, turn the candle green.
Yes, ladies and gentlemen, we absolutely filled that gap. So let's do this. Let's drag this guy up here. Boop. Okay. Because that's the new base floor for the session we just got started. Whoa, Brian McQuillan coming in hard. Coming in hot with 10 memberships. Let's see, did Dom get soup? Dom, did you, if you're a hungry crustacean, get your bowl in the sky. Dom, did you get soup? Did you get soup? No soup!
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
Wow. Dom, you're gonna get your soup. Thank you so much for the support, everybody. You're all guys, this is my full-time job. I work every day. I'm in the catacombs of the internet and looking up stuff and researching. This is what I do 100% of the time, and I appreciate it. I couldn't do it without your generosity, watching my videos, super chatting, becoming a member, donating memberships, doing the job. I really appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. And you can support the channel without spending a dime. All you got to do is smash the like button. We're merely 45 likes away from 300. I know we could do that. We got 600 people watching right now. Thank you so much to Daniel for gifting a membership. Oh, hold up. Something. Wait. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Daniel, thank you for gifting a membership. Thank you to Humble Stacker for gifting a membership. Did John get Did Dom get soup? I'm looking. Dom, did you get any soup? I don't think so. Dom, believe your soup into existence, says David. Okay, let's go see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter here. Hey, IS, please read this on stream. I can't wait to join in after everyone knows I'm sorry. Attention crustaceans. I variable make this public. Apology to Dom, international stacker in the world. I'm sorry about the horizontal comment. Variable. It's all right, man. Dom, did you see that? Dom, did you see that? Variable's waiting to come back in. That is his apology. Guys, we have fun here in chat. Sometimes we get carried away, but at the end of the day, we all come back together because we all are crustaceans. And I loved that. Variable, I loved that apology. Hoya Guru, thank you for gifting the membership. Humble Stacker, thank you for gifting the membership. Oh my goodness! Varial's back! Varial's back, and he just gifted 50 memberships! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Oh my goodness! Wow! Hold your bowls up, crustaceans. Hold your bowls up if you need soup. Hold your bowls up if you want a free membership. They're flowing like honey. Oh my goodness. It's still coming. Dom, did you get soup? Dom. Oh, she's got to get soup right now. She's got to. Hold up. They're still being gifted. They're still being gifted. Wow. Thank you so much, Variable. You are mega. Dom, did you get soup? Oh, wait. The memberships are still coming. The memberships are still coming. Hold up. Is that it? Where's Dom? I'm looking for Dom. Dom, did you get soup? I could not keep up with that. Oh my goodness. No soup for Dom!
Sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
And Sicilian Stacker says, put your bowls in the air if you got lettuce. If you want soup, put your bowls in the air. Oh, that's funny. Do not eat the lettuce. Whatever you do not eat the lettuce. Thank you, Wyvern, for the membership. And that went to Wolf. Shirt and shoes and oh, okay. So Real Bill is saying shirt and shoes are required for service. There you go. Well, I mean, you got to be fully clothed in the war room, and technically, I never put a rule on the chat. So I don't know. If you are butt naked right now, let us know. Okay, Stu here saying, it got my 5 ounce as that spot from Hero Bullion. It's on the way. Plus, I picked up another 5 ounces in Eagles at the local coin shop. Awesome. Guys, Hero Bullion is super quick on shipping. Super quick. Now remember this. If you pay with a physical check, it is not going to be shipped until they receive the check, and then they have to cash it to make sure it clears. After that happens, or actually, I don't know if the cash part. I know they have to wait for the check to get there. I'm not sure about the second part. They have to wait for the check to get there before they could ship it out. However that works, I don't know. But what I do know is if you pay with a paper check, it's going to delay your shipping. If you pay with a digital check, which is just as good as a paper check, but it goes through automatically. It ships quick. So if you're using the paper checks and you want it to ship quicker, try the digital. It's actually much easier. I love the digital check. It was a godsend when it came for me. I had to spend money on stamps. It was amazing. Okay. Dom is going to need a smaller shell. She's starving, says drop in the mic. Poor. Guys, poor Dom. Northampton says, what's the current breakdown between asking for soup and receiving it out of John, Rick, and... Wait. What's the current breakdown on time between... Oh. Rick was the quickest. John is still the longest. Rick was... I've got to crunch that time. That is a good question. I don't know for sure. Northampton, I don't know for sure. No lettuce soup. Don't eat it, says Silver Fox. Guys, are some of you so desperate for soup that you would eat lettuce soup? 10 days to clear, says drop in the mic. 10 days. Thank you. How do I give soup, says Craig Elliott. There's like a dollar sign. It's down here. You got to be on desktop, I think, to gift memberships. You click this dollar sign down here, and then there's an option to gift memberships, but you got to be a member. And I think you got to be on, I think you have to be on desktop. I could be wrong about that. But the king crab has no clothes, so Silver Surfer. Oh, wait. Hold up. I got to go to Silver Servant's message here. That's Commander Mike D. Very cool. I shared. I'm a good boy. There you. Oh, thank you. Thank you, the world according to Jim. Thank you. Chris Simic says, I won that bounty on Rick way too fast. The bounty I won was a shell of John and... Wait. Was a shell of John and Dom's. There you go, Chris. Shimmick. I said Simic again. Shimmick. Okay. No, I'm on the phone and I can gift a member. You can or can't, Frodo. Some people, for some reason, can't gift memberships. I don't know why. I don't know. Thank you, Scott Vapley, for putting that out. Thank you, Lewis. Thank you, FGK. Thank you, Crab Dog Security, for putting it out. Look at this. Blue Shadow. I don't like coffee. Made in Belgium. That's funny. Guys, if you do like coffee, check out Mrs. IS. Her coffee. It's available in medium and dark roast, 12-ounce or 1-pound bag. Brewed from Mrs. IS secret blend, passed down through generations of crustaceans. This is literally what I drink every morning, so you can be sipping with the king crab. Oh, you can. Okay, thank you, Frodo. Sicilian, thank you for putting it out. Blue Shadow, thank you for putting it out. Porridge, thank you. Look at, here it is, Silver Serpents. No, not yet. Put some duct tape on it for another few. What's this for? Oh, for the... He doesn't want the system to crack. There you go, Silver Serpents. He's trying to duct tape the system back together. Okay, let's go back here. Wow. Thank you so much, guys, for your generosity. You are all mega. Guys, can we chant Variable's name in chat? He has the all-time high for the stream. At once, 50. But then Brian McQuillan's right on his heels. Brian McQuillan did 30, I think, total. Thank you. Thank you to everyone who gifted. Wow. Thank you. Okay. Wow. As silver's going lower here, 56.30, 56.37 on silver. Gold on a green candle 4. I would love for gold to stay above 4,000. Those slippery salamanders want it below 4. I'm going in.
Smith, a fallen hard with one arm. Oh my God. Oh no, he's not. Major choke slam.
And guys, we got 500 people watching and we got 289 likes. Only 11 away from 300. Keep smashing the next 11 people to do it. Good luck for 5 months.
It's science.
Thank you, Okie Stacker, for gifting a membership. And thank you, Bourbon Patriot, for donating one as well. You guys are mega. Wow. Wow. Okay. Let's go to some breaking gold and silver news. Hey, Real Bill, thank you so much for the $2 super chat saying explosive diarrhea. Everyone beware. Guys, if you haven't heard, There's some parasite on lettuce. There's some parasite on lettuce that if you eat it, it's causing explosive diarrhea for over a month. I am literally not eating produce until this thing goes away. I'm not eating lettuce. I'm not eating anything that could touch lettuce. I'm not. Pat JMD says you can gift memberships on an Android phone. Ah, thank you for that. Frodo says you need a real phone. Samsung, not an Apple, says Frodo. Oh, so it's an Apple thing. Okay. Silver Slugger, thank you for the jewels. That's funny. Okay. Oh, is the stock market up today? No, Dow Jones is down 300 points today. Next Exit, thank you for giving a membership. That went to Dwayne Dukes. Congratulations. Say thank you to Next Exit. And guys, all you new channel members, guys, we're up to 132 new channel members on the stream. Thank you so much. That means we're 18 away from 150. If we get to 150, I will be doing a big show. Remember, all channel members get access to the channel member-only live stream star on YouTube called The War Room. What happens in the War Room stays in the War Room. Clothing is not optional. And boy, did we have fun in the War Room today. I unveiled something secret. Don't leak it. Guys, the War Room's leaking like a sieve. Don't leak it. It's a secret. But it's going to be mega when it happens. But we'll see all the new members in the next War Room, which is going to be Friday evening, probably. Something like this. Make a garden and grow your own lettuce. Well, that's a good idea, Silverbug. You could grow your own lettuce. Then I suppose it would be safe. The U.S. Strategic Petroleum Reserve has hit its lowest level since 1983. Wow, let's put that out. That's important. One, two, three. Okay. I need one. I need one more. Yeah. Thank you for the jewels. Thank you so much for the jewels. I'm not sure who that was because I can't see it right now, but whoever that was, thank you. Missed the War Room today. Want to buy more, says Oxby. Guys, if you're a channel member, just click on membership. You can watch every War Room once it's over. Every War Room that's ever happened is here, including this one, guys. This one inside Disney was crazy. That's where we saw Viola's possible future boyfriend. That was insane. Okay. Diesel surges to highest level since Iran war began. We cover the CENTCOM news. Gold is sitting right on a key support zone. Last time it touched this exact level, it ran to 3,932. Oh, from there to 5,417 in 3 months. That's 1,400 to move in 90 days. Right now, 4,017 testing the same zone. History doesn't repeat, but it sure rhymes. That's a fun one. I just got drugged. Oh, yeah. In the War Room, yeah, I bought this drink. It's supposed to make your lips tingle, and it felt like I was drinking stinging nettle. I'm going to read this article later about copper. Iranian media publishes footage shows one of the ships burning in the accident-prone southern route. U.S. official says troop and aircraft surge into the Middle East is constrained by battle damage. Warns we do not have enough to safely sustain operations. That's from the Washington Post. You can't get diarrhea from an Apple phone, says the lone. That is true. That is true. Yeah, I drank that stinging nettle. I threw it away. I literally threw it away. It was expensive too. Okay, Iran earlier launched 2 ballistic missiles. Yeah, it's just going all crazy over there, guys. Just know that. Okay, look at this. COMEX gold deliveries. 12,000 contracts. Wow. Wow. Okay, let's go back to the charts here. Well, first somebody tweeted something. Let's look. Okay. Go back to the charts. Next exit says, I'm not leaking nothing. What happens in the war room stays in the war room. But I will mention one of the members came out with without pants. Not saying who it was. Gah!
How dare you?
Gah! Okay. Starting to turn around here. On a green candle with silver, 56.36. Look at this. Gold's building up some momentum here. DXY is kind of bumbling around. Oil's kind of crab walking. Brent was like 91 the other night. Okay. Show us your dong. Piotrek wants to see my Vietnam dong, so I'll show it to you guys. There's a reason why we stack this stuff physical silver. There's a reason why we stack this stuff physical gold. It's because it can't be rehypothecated. It can't be printed to oblivion. It can't be margin called. It can't be liquidated. But the big bankers, the experts, the financial advisors tell you to stack this stuff. Paper, fiat, currency, and all throughout history, every paper fiat currency ever made, not backed by physical silver and gold, has 100% of the time eventually gone to zero. And as I whip out and plop down my big old fat stack of Vietnam dong here, I want to remind you it got so bad in Zimbabwe that they went literally from $1 million notes to $1 billion notes to $1 trillion notes. And we're seeing this play out in Iran right now. We've seen this play out time and time again. And I don't know where it's at, but I have here one silver coin from Venezuela from that time frame, actually from 1912. And it is worth more than all this paper fiat currency that literally all went to zero. And that's why we stack physical silver. That's why we stack physical gold. And I'm sorry for putting that paper fiat currency on the silver.
How dare you?
Mr. Fowler says the lettuce thing is nothing to joke about. I've been regular going on 2 days now, and I can finally sneeze again. Oh man, you have it. How many people in chat have the poop disease? If you have the poop disease, put I've got the poop disease. I need a report. How bad is it? Piotreka says, and now take that filthy dong off the silver.
How dare you?
SGT, I'm going to call you after the stream, SGT. The Real Bill says, how do I wipe my rare with a claw? Well, there's a special sleeve that goes over it. So usually crabs poop in water, so you don't have to worry. It just kind of washes it away. But if you're on land, there's a special felt cover that goes over your claw. Piotrek said, okay, I got that. I got that one. Hey, thank you, Hoya Guru, for getting a membership. That went to Death Train 67. Let's see what that auction is at still. Oh, look, it's 180. Only 3 hours and 30 minutes left on this auction. If you crustaceans want to get it, it is a crab Rolo from Reckless Metals. They sold for about 80. This one's 180 on eBay. The proceeds go to charity. So that's pretty cool. Hoya Guru's hosting that. So let's see, eBay link. So if you want one of those and you want to donate to charity, what a good way to do it. If you want more information about that and the charity and all that, you could just go to mydct.com, stands for Dream Come True. It is going to, the charity is the Fun Coast Down Syndrome Association. Pretty cool. Future Moto says, stop playing with your thumbs. Okay. SGT says, that's a lot of, oh my. How many for the big show? We need 17. 17 more gifted memberships for the big show. Guys, Mike D is revving up his engines. Crustaceans, if you're hungry, get your bowls in the sky. Are we going to do a big show? Okay, I'm going to play the recruitment video. I'm going to play it. Is 160 sword about to come? Are we about to get an airdrop? Are you ready to soar? All right, we'll see what happens. Oh my goodness, guys, Mike D is 40 gifted memberships from gifting 1,000. Oh my gosh, guys, Mike D is 40 memberships away from gifting 1,000 on this channel. Can we get a salute in chat? Can we get a salute in chat to Mike D? Oh my goodness. Brian McQuillan, thank you for those 5 memberships. Thank you so much. Hey, Big T Coins got one. Mike D coming in! 50! Oh my goodness! Hold your bowls up in the sky. Soup is dropping. Dom, get your bowl up. Brad V has been a member for 2 months. Thank you so much, Brad V. Get your bowls up if you're hungry. Oh my gosh, this is your time, Dom. This is it. Dom, this is your time. I feel it in my bones. Let's see if she gets it, ladies and gentlemen. Smash that like button. Every like smash is going to give her a better chance to win it. Here we go. Did she get it? Did she get it? Did she get it? Did she get it? Dom, did you get soup? Are you kidding me? I hate to say it. Oh, wait, no, it's still going. It's still going. It's still going. It's still going. It's still assigning some. Hold up. It's still assigning. 1 second. I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a big show.
Across the United States, competing for the title
Four-time.
of America's best aerobic athlete, presenting the
Four-time.
1987 Crystal Light National Aerobic
Four-time.
Introducing the four-time
Thank you so much.
champion, International Stacker.
And Commander Craig of the 42nd Battle Crab comes in with 5 memberships. Thank you so much. Wait, let me look. Did Dom get it? Ah, no, super Dom. Dom, it's coming. I feel it in my bones. Thank you, Commander Craig. Wow. Wow. What a stream, ladies and gentlemen. Hoya Guru says, geesh, this place is going nuts tonight. Give to win, says Variable Trumper. He's talking about this big, beautiful bounty. Who's going to win it, guys? Oh, my pickups. So if you guys saw the live stream with Master Stacker, we met up in Springfield, Illinois. He came to the Hidden Hoard and all that. He picked up some Engelhard bars at Spot, and then he owed me a favor, so he sold them to me at the same price he got them for at Spot. I got this Engelhard waffle back, more desirable. I think it was this P-loaf, or maybe it was this one. Maybe it's that one. And I got this. So that was my pickups, guys. What pickups did you guys have recently? Let me know. Chris Shimmick says, how much soup have I donated? I would be happy if it was half of Mike. I'm not sure, Chris Shimmick. I have no way to look that up. I think Mike D tracks it from his side. But you've given a lot too, Chris. Thank you. Northampton West from across the ocean. Just get the 5 memberships. Wow, thank you so much. That went to Gump, Rad, Bear, Merrill, Printing. Oh my goodness.
Please, sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
Guys, this is going crazy. Are we going to set another record? SH with 10 memberships. Wyvern with 5 memberships. Get your bowls up. Are we about to set another record? It's raining soup, ladies and gentlemen. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Dom, tell me you got soup. Oh my goodness!
Sir, I want some more.
Here's the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
Murphquake with the membership, and that went to Big Red. Awesome. Congrats, Big Red. Oh my goodness. Guys, if you're in chat and you've won soup, put I got soup. I want to see how many of you got soup. Wow. Wow, guys, Battlefield Ghost got a 1-ounce 1984 Engelhard Prospector, 74 Universal Trade Unit, Aztec Warrior, 2016 Eagle, 56 each. Good job, Battlefield. They don't know what they sold you. That's amazing. Thank you, Craig Elliott, for the UNC alert. Thank you. Oki, thank you for gifting 5 memberships. Wow. Brian McQuillan with 5 memberships. Thank you. Oh my goodness, guys. We're at 225 gifted memberships. I got to remind myself. What was the let's see what the record is. Okay, the original record was 320, and then we broke that on July 7th with 364. That was the all-time record high. Wow. This is crazy. You know, I think I need to add something to the big, beautiful bounty. What do you guys think? I think I need to add something to the big, beautiful bounty. What do you guys think? Let me think here. 1 second. Okay. I'm going to add one of these guys. I picked this up at the Fun Coin Show. These are Colonial 1-ounce silver bars. These are actually special. If you notice, they look very much like Engelhard. Engelhard minted these special for Colonial. They're pretty rare. I think I got 5 or 6 of them, so I'm going to put one of those in the big, beautiful bounty that just keeps growing, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, my goodness. Thank you. The Lentz family gifted a membership. That went to Silver Boy Blues. Congratulations. Wow. Robert Long in chat needs soup desperately. He is hungry. Oh, I dropped it. We need a medal for the most giver. I know. Guys, I was told that the audio is too loud on the that one clip. I'm gonna play the clip real quick so I can fix it on the 160th. Stand by. There he goes. Is that audio better? If that's much better, let me know. Did I fix it? I think I fixed it. Did the Mega Guy? Yeah, we're doing the Mega Guy. 525 Medic, I'm going to release the video next week on the Mega Guy. I'm going to live stream sometime this week going through the chest and pulling out some of the stuff I can't give away. We're doing it at 70K instead of 100. Some of the stuff I have to pull out and save because it's stamped 100K. But we're doing it early. If you like free silver, put free in chat. We're going to do it. We're going to do it. Pat JMD says, we break another record. Do I have to make another song? If you want to. Pewtrek says, you can add 1 ton of fake bullion to the bounty. No, it's all real around here. Okay, I fixed it, Craig. Was it better at the end? I think it was better at the end. I found out Viola is a part-time psychologist for patients who lack soup. That is true, Silverpug. Okay, I'm going to play that clip one more time. Tell me if the sound is perfect now. Put perfect. Is it perfect? Let me know. That is the new recruitment video for the 160th Battle Crab Soar. I've not seen one yet for the 42nd. I don't know. There might be one in the works. I don't know. I can't remember, but I think I donated an ounce of crystal to you. Did. Guys, Stilly the Stacker did. Right here. Stilly the Stacker donated this to the Mega Guy. Look at that smiley face. So a big thank you to Steely. There's amazing stuff in this mega giveaway. Chris Shimmick says, sent you an email. Got to take off for the night. I have a few things I need to do. See what you know. I see you, Chris Shimmick. Thank you for the support. You are mega. Mike says Iran's calling for an all-out war. Gold and silver are going down. Oh, we got 5 memberships from Island Stacker. Nice. Vintage Soul Cracker got one. Mitchell got one. Thank you so much, Island Stacker. Guys, I hate to say it.
Please, sir, I want some more.
No soup for John!
Taste the soup. Good soup.
No soup for you.
Silver Fox said it didn't scare the crap out of me that time. Yeah, I'm sorry. I should have explained that better. It's silver. It's crystallized silver. It's 4-9's fine crystallized silver. He refines it, and with electrolysis, it forms as in like a dendritic pattern. It grows like a tree. So that is like pure crystallized silver. Guys, AG Astronaut's here, and Dino Stacker is in the house. We got ice cream after I picked him up. Guys, I'm putting together a video for the Hidden Horde and Springfield meet and greet. AG Astronaut brought his son. He's 6 years old, and he told me his name is Dino Stacker, and he brought a couple of his coins that he was so proud of. So can we all in chat do a shout out right now to Dino Stacker? Dino Stacker rules! Yes! All right, Dino Stacker. Now Dino Stacker, I'm gonna teach you how to raptor run. Here's what I need you to do, Dino Stacker. You stand on the floor. Stand up. Now I need you to bring your arms up to the center of your body and put them kind of like T-Rex arms, kind of like on your t-shirt that day, okay? Now I need you to roll, kind of lean forward on the balls of your feet. Now your center of gravity is set just like a velociraptor. And when you run, you're almost going to trot. So if you trot across the floor, that's exactly how a raptor runs. And that's how I do my raptor runs. I taught my trade secret. All right, see what you guys are saying on X, formerly known as Twitter here. This is the spy in the war room. Look, in the war room. Oh, no! Have we been infiltrated? Oh, look at this. On July 20th, 1969, Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin became the first humans to walk on the moon. And guys, how much silver was used for that and gold? Thank you for that, AG Astronaut. Waiting for a statement on No Soup for Dom. Guys, who are waiting for the White House to make a statement. Thank you, Master Blaster. That's funny. All right, see what's breaking here. Oh, did I miss? Island Stacker gave another 5. Thank you so much, Island Stacker. Wow. Oh, yeah. Hong Kong and Laos signed an agreement to establish seamless gold corridor. I'm going to do an article on that. I just didn't have time. Yeah, Jason. My website only says I'm live in the morning. Here it is. It's an API. And Google only gives you a limited amount of like data you could pull for an API for it to work. So it covers the whole morning stream, and then it only covers part of the night stream, then it turns off. I'm working on a solution for it. So it works in the morning and part of the evening, and then it just turns off because I run out of the API like tokens. Gah! Yeah. So it's a little bit of a pain. But it works. It works most of the time. It works 90% of the time, every time. Kind of like the baby gator.
Try to do the baby gator noise. Here we go. How do you do the baby gator noise? I don't know. Whoa, whoa, what was that? It was a giant lizard just jumped. That thing was massive. I thought I actually summoned an alligator for a second there.
It was massive, I'm telling you. AGOG47 says, I always thought the raptor runs were what you get from Mrs. IS Coffee. No! It's how I run like a raptor. Next exit says, start a poll on how many people think the moon landing was real or not. All right, let's do it. For the record, I think the moon landing was real. Let's see. Was the moon landing real? I believe it was, but let's see what you guys think. Yes. No. All right, here it comes. Here comes the poll. Thank you, Brian McQuillan, for gifting 5 memberships. Wow. Congratulations to Lech, Sincerica. Man, these names are hard. Sly, I guess. I can't say it. I build with stone. That one's easy. King B in the Philippines. Congratulations. Okay. So far we've had 77 votes. 45% say yes. 43% no. 13% say impossible. It's made of cheese. Look at this, guys. We got Coin Silver in the chat saying, thank you to whoever gave me membership. You rock. Guys, Coin Silver is in chat and got soup. Congratulations. Alan J. Pratt says, if it wasn't possible to do, I think Elon and SpaceX would be focusing on the moon. Oh, instead of Mars. Gotcha. Jason here says, I won the 150 logo from the auction. Had to pay $241.50. Well, congratulations. And thank you for that donation to charity. 525 Medicare says, if IS thinks the moon landing was real, I got to trade my silver in for fiat. I love that one. Okay, we've got 109 votes. 44% say yes. 42% say no. 14% say impossible. Made of cheese. Ugh. Okay. Silver's getting the smackdown. What are we at? 0.38. We're down 0.38%. Nothing to panic about. Just a buying opportunity. Gold, we hit a low of 4,002. It's at 4,396 on a red candle. Soup John says, I don't think it was real because I didn't see anything when I was there on vacation. There you go. Thank you so much for all the memberships, guys. You guys are all so mega. Just bought another 10 ounces of silver. Congratulations, Piotrek. Who bought this week and how many ounces? Let us know. Okay, is the DXY moving? Okay, something's happening. I'm guessing it's something with Iran. Hold up. Let's figure this out. Let us figure this out. Okay, I'm going to end the poll with 123 votes. 44% say it's real. 42% say it's not real. 14% say impossible. It's made of cheese. Okay, hold up. Let's see what's going on with Iran. Axio. I'm not seeing anything brand new that I haven't heard about already that would move the price. Let's check True Social. Okay, that's the UK post. Nope, nothing there. So something's putting some pressure on gold and silver. I'm not sure what it is. Oil is all starting to trend back up. DXY is trending up. Something happened that I'll figure out. I'll figure it out overnight or in the morning. Don't worry. That's the thing about when you're live. Sometimes you just can't figure things out. Let's go back here. Let's refresh this. Okay, that's old. State Department dropped a new Cuba report. Confirmed oil from the collapse. North Korea foreign minister met Russia President Putin at Moscow on July 19th, held the third strategic talks. Okay. I'm not seeing anything else major. I want soup and I want it now, says Silver Star.
It's my silver and I want it now.
It's my silver and I want it now.
My silver and I want it now.
Brian McCall says, Put why is silver going down into AI and then do the opposite to make it go up. And 400 an ounce is pretty simple. There you go. Oh, 27 minutes ago, a tanker was struck in the Strait of Hormuz. Thank you, Ralph. That could be it. That could be it. It's going to be interesting to see what happens overnight, and especially when the big La Bamba opens here. Shanghai Futures Exchange. That's opening at 9 p.m. Eastern Time. So we're almost to 7, 8, 9. So that's 2 hours away. Guys, keep smashing that like. We are literally 39 likes away from 400. I know we could do that. Keep smashing it. And I've got a little bit of a plan here. Hold up. One second here. Un momento, por favor. I thought this kid has a YouTube channel, and I thought he had a live stream about to start. I was like, oh, because he's like maybe 12 or 13. I was like, that would be a fun one to raid, but I don't think he does. That would be a fun one to raid. Thank you for the jewels, North Star. All right, so here's what we're going to do, guys. We are going to raid somebody who makes silver, gold, or silver pours, all kinds of cool stuff. His name's BH Custom, so we're going to go do that. When you go there, just drop a crab in the chat, smash the like button. We're going to have a lot of fun doing that. Thank you, everybody, so much for all the generosity tonight and for all the donations. I really appreciate it. Man, so many people. Roadkill and Jim Reeves, Jeff Stout, Brian McQuillan, Pa Spare Time, Chasing That MILF, Brian Irish Stacker, Hoya Guru, Master Blaster, Jeff Stout, Wyvern, Brian McQuillan, Daniel Whitley, Humble Stacker, Okie Stacker, Bourbon Patriot, Real Bill, Next Exit, Craig, Brian, Lee Glass, Northampton. Thank you guys so much. Mirthquake, the Lentz family, Island Stacker, Mike D, of course, Variable, of course, SH. Guys, thank you so much. I will be live at 7:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time in the morning. Come and join me. Hang out with the crustacean. We're going to have a fun time in the morning. I'll be reporting on what happened all night, tonight, and in the morning. There it is. Please smash that like button on the way out. And guys, I'm going to do, as soon as I hit end, we're going to do that crab raid. So let's go have fun. Smash the like button. I'll say CYOTNO. Catch you on the next one. Woo! Oh, and the total count. Guys, on this stream, we got 236 new members. Thank you so much.
I am never going to financially recover from this.